going on, guys? Jack Duff from the Green Collar Entrepreneur YouTube channel. Hopefully you guys are having a great start to your spring. It's a beautiful day to be alive. We are in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. This video is specifically going to be about laying stripes on lawns. What sets us pros apart from everybody else is those professional looking stripes, the diamonds, all of the beautiful things that we do like this, and this. How do you do it? That's the question that everybody asks. How do you do it? And even our customers ask, how do you guys do it? Why do you do it? What's the point? Well, it's supposed to look beautiful. It's supposed to look professional. That's why we do it. So, how do you do it though? We're gonna show you exactly how to do it in today's video. Let's get to it. All right, guys, we're gonna show you exactly how to stripe a lawn. So, one of the key factors is the sun. A lot of people don't know this, but, well, some of you guys who are pros like I am know exactly what I'm talking about. What gives it the stripe effect is actually an optical illusion. So basically what it is the sun actually is shining against the blades that you're pushing down with your tires on your machine. And I'll show you exactly what I mean when Rick comes back and makes his pass. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, as you can see, Rick is currently going toward me on his first pass. And actually the sun is currently right above me. So the sun is facing those trees you see behind Rick. And what that means is why is it going darker is because the blades of grass are actually being pushed by the tires toward the direction that I'm standing, which is the opposite direction of the way the sun is shining. Now, as you can see on his second pass, it's white or a lighter color because Rick is going with the sun, so the sun is able to shine off the blades of grass that are being pushed down by the tires, and it gives it that white shimmering effect that differs from that dark green, going the opposite direction. In this second clip, you'll see that I'm doing the exact same thing on a different part of the property, and you can see that on my pass, which the sun is directly facing the house, so you can see the sun is pushing against the house. The direction that I'm going toward the house will always have the white stripe because the tires are pushing those blades of grass toward the house, which the sun is able to shine and give that nice little white effect. Whereas now I'm going the opposite direction, and you see it's darker green. The blades of grass are being pushed the opposite way, so the sun doesn't have the ability to shine and give that shimmering effect. Now, if you were to do diamonds, you just do a diagonal pattern. Same deal. But guys, pretty much straightforward. It's whatever direction you're going with the mower that you're gonna get the stripe effect. So you're gonna go opposite direction each time that you make a pass. And make sure you're not overlapping each pass so you get those crisp tire lines that you're looking for. So that's really it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like. It really does help us out with the algorithm. And subscribe if you haven't already. For all you lawn care enthusiasts out there, we have so much more content and a podcast talking about everything within the green industry. Thank you guys so much. Hopefully you guys have a great spring.